Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction of the Unico Hotel in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now this property is actually going to have 3 hotels built on it, and the Unico at over 500 rooms is going to be the first of the 3. The second hotel will be a Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, and that will have over 1,000 rooms. And the third hotel will be another Moon Palace Hotel with 1,350 rooms. So this development that's currently underway is actually the fastest moving development in Jamaica. These massive structures have gone up so fast. And this hotel is on track to open in 2025. It's now May, so we have about 8 months more, 7-8 months more before the end of the year, and at the rate they're moving, they should meet that deadline. Alright, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The Unico Hotel is a highly anticipated adults-only all-inclusive luxury resort currently under construction in Montego Bay. It's located in Lilliput, St. James Parish along Jamaica's scenic north coast. That road we're looking at now is actually the Northern Coastal Highway that takes you from the Sangster International Airport all the way to Ocho Rios. And this hotel is probably about 15-20 minutes from the Sangster International Airport. And this resort is going to be part of the Unico Hotel Collection, which includes properties all over the world, and it is scheduled to open in 2025. The resort will feature approximately 550 rooms. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and let us know what you think about how fast this development is moving. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you.